Thoughts are coming and thoughts are going, as they always do. Let's imagine the mind like a storage space. Picture a very large garage door in front of you, painted in your favorite color. What lies behind this door represents how clear you have kept your mind through the years. In your hand, you hold the opener, and with a click of a button, the biggest garage door you have ever seen begins to slowly open. As the door squeaks to its fully open position, there you see it, packed to the brim with stuff. Old lamps, boxes, a bicycle you had when you were a child, knickknacks you've carried through the years in hopes to use them in the future, and objects you can't even tell what they are used for. And on top of all this stuff is a light gray layer of dust. This is how you have been taking care of your mind. Take a big breath in, as full as you can, because breathing is what gives you energy to take on this mess. Breathe in again and close your eyes within your mind. And still yourself as you stand before the storage of your mind. You take a moment all to yourself within this story. Extend a kind of appreciation to all the things you have collected here and what you have